Ballast overheating to the point of smoking and burning paint indicates a serious electrical issue. Several factors can lead to this dangerous situation. Firstly, overload is a common cause. This occurs when too many bulbs or fixtures are connected to a single ballast, exceeding its rated capacity. The excessive load causes the ballast to work harder, generating more heat than it can safely dissipate. Secondly, a short circuit within the ballast or in the connected wiring can create an uncontrolled flow of current. This unrestricted current generates immense heat rapidly, potentially leading to a fire. Thirdly, loose electrical connections can significantly contribute to ballast overheating. Poorly secured connections increase resistance in the circuit. This increased resistance restricts current flow, generating heat at the point of the loose connection. This heat can then spread to the ballast itself. Fourthly, component failure within the ballast is another potential cause. Over time, components like capacitors, inductors, or resistors can degrade or fail. Such failures can disrupt the normal operation of the ballast, causing it to overheat. Fifthly, the natural aging process of ballasts makes them more susceptible to overheating. As ballasts age, their internal components degrade, reducing their efficiency and increasing their heat output. Sixthly, improper installation can also lead to overheating. Incorrect wiring or inadequate mounting of the ballast can restrict airflow, preventing it from cooling properly. Seventhly, high ambient temperatures can exacerbate the problem. If a ballast is located in an area with extreme ambient temperatures, its operating temperature will increase, particularly if it lacks adequate ventilation. Eighthly, accumulated dust and debris can act as insulators, blocking airflow around the ballast and trapping heat. Ninthly, a manufacturing defect in the ballast itself can predispose it to overheating. A flaw in the design or manufacturing process can lead to premature failure and excessive heat generation. The consequences of ballast overheating can be severe. Firstly, it poses a significant fire hazard. Extreme overheating can ignite the ballast itself or surrounding materials, leading to a fire. Secondly, overheating significantly shortens the ballast's lifespan, leading to premature failure. Thirdly, a damaged ballast can disrupt power to the bulbs, resulting in light failure. Fourthly, the overheating can extend to and damage other electrical components connected to the ballast, such as wiring and connectors. To prevent ballast overheating, several measures should be taken. Firstly, select a ballast specifically designed for the type and number of fixtures and bulbs being used. Using an incompatible ballast can lead to overloading and overheating. Secondly, avoid overloading the ballast by not connecting more fixtures or bulbs than it is rated for. Exceeding the ballast's capacity will cause it to overheat and potentially fail. Thirdly, ensure proper installation by carefully following the manufacturer's instructions. Correct wiring and mounting are essential for safe and efficient operation. Fourthly, provide adequate ventilation for the ballast. Place it in a well-ventilated area or use a fan to improve airflow around it. Fifthly, regularly inspect ballasts for signs of excessive heat, smoke, or burning smells. Early detection of these signs can prevent a more serious problem. Furthermore, install surge protectors to protect the ballast from voltage spikes and surges. These surges can damage the ballast and cause it to overheat. By understanding the causes and consequences of ballast overheating and implementing appropriate preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of fire, premature failure, and other electrical problems. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician for any repairs or installations.